Binance Futures, how to set a stop loss. So welcome back guys. In this video I'll show you exactly how to set a stop loss on Binance Futures. Whether you're opening a new trade or securing an existing position, placing a stop loss is the most reliable way to protect your balance from unexpected moves. So let's walk through the steps clearly, one by one. So you open up your Binance app or web version and switch to USDT AM futures or Coin AM futures depending on what you trade. Then select the pair you want to trade, for example BTC USDT, Ethereum USDT or any other futures contract. You can place a stop loss before opening a trade or after entering a position. To open a trade, choose long or short with market or limit. On the order form, scroll down to the section called TP/SL. Toggle it on. This is where you set your stop loss. And in the stop loss box, enter the exact price where your trade should close if the market moves against you. For example, if you're long, your SL must be lower than entry. If you're short, your SL must be higher than entry. And then tap buy/long or sell/short, and your trade opens instantly with a stop loss attached. You'll now see the SL line directly on the chart. If you already have an open position, go to the Positions tab and press TP/SL, and then you enter or edit the stop loss, see the estimated loss, set it as a market trigger order. And then Binance offers two stop types. Stop market, safest, always closes your trade. Stop limit, more control but may fail during fast moves. For most traders, stop market is recommended. And this is pretty much how you set a stop loss on Binance Futures. This simple tool can protect your account and keep your trading disciplined. If this tutorial helped, hit like of course, subscribe and comment which Binance guide you want me to do next.